Hi folks, this is Nachiket signing in for today's topic, site mapping. So how to prepare a sketch map of a site. Here are the basic sizes you can see is geometrical, irregular and with radial sides. Geometrical is very common, you have seen it many times. All the 90% of the plotting projects, developers always prefer such kind of plots so that there is no wastage of any land area while constructing. Okay, irregular shape. This is also very relevant whenever you are going for any kind of means property purchase of a land which is basically an agricultural plot or very old one. So basically based on the current condition it is being sold out, so irregular plots are quite relevant. And with radial sides, such kind of plot you will be finding out whenever there is a natural stream going by or a municipality drain just crossing it out, or somewhere it's making a radial approach. For such kind of things, this kind of maybe shape can be found out. Okay, so these are the basic site types based on the shape of site. Okay, so let's learn one by one how you are going to prepare a sketch map. So for a geometrical plot, it's quite very simple. Take the length, take the breadth of both the sides. Okay, then again the most important part is take the diagonals. You can see here D1, D2 mentioned is the diagonals that you have to take. Remember, always take measurements from inside the boundary. Okay, so that the kind of space you are going to live uh, is very clear that it is apart from the boundary wall. Okay, so take always the inside dimensions, not from the middle of the plot. So whatever may be the plot size, take as the site is demarcated. Okay, so next is mention what is in the surroundings. Like in the open land, there is a bounded plot in the back side, rear side, and in the side in the left hand side is a building. And also mention the space for material stacking and labor shed. Okay, also take the road width as well. This is also quite very important because this will help you in case of approval, building approval. Okay, and in the left hand side corner you can see a compass part has been mentioned. Take a screenshot of the place location by standing in the middle of the plot and facing the road. Okay, take a screenshot, and based on that particular compass pick, mention the drawing so that it is very clear in which direction plot is facing. It will be very clear in that. Then next comes the irregular plot size. Same thing, but here the diagonal is quite important to redraw in the AutoCAD. Okay, so mention that as well. Then next comes the radial side. This is bit easy out there, but I'll make it simpler for you. You can see this E1 and E2. Yes, so what you have to do is, this is an imaginary line you have to extend from here to this particular point. Peg mark here. From here also take one thread and peg mark here, peg mark this point. From here to here take the D2 diagonal, and D1 is quite simpler because it's inside your plot. Then rest other things are remaining same. So based on that, the AutoCAD plotter can easily plot it in a digital platform. Okay, so this is it. So thank you. See you in the next video coming up, soil investigation for foundation.